Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something super exciting to share with you all. Ever struggled to get your lips looking perfect with just lip liner? Yeah, me too. It can be so frustrating when you're trying to achieve that flawless look, but it just doesn't come out right. But don't worry, I've got a super easy hack that'll have your lips looking flawless in minutes. Trust me, this trick is a game changer. Ready? Let's get into it. First off, you need a good lip liner. This is crucial because the right lip liner can make all the difference. Pick a shade that's close to your natural lip color or a bit darker. This helps create a defined look without being too harsh. There are so many shades out there, so take your time to find the perfect one for you. It's worth the effort. Once you've got your shade, it's time to start applying. This helps create a defined look without being too harsh. Start by outlining your Cupid's bow, the little dip in the middle of your upper lip. This is where the magic begins. Draw an X shape right there. This might seem a bit strange at first, but trust me, it works wonders. This trick makes sure both sides are even and symmetrical. Symmetry is key when it comes to perfect lips. Next, move to the corners of your mouth. This step is often overlooked, but it's super important. Lightly draw a line from the corner of your lips towards the center, but stop halfway. This helps in creating a natural look. Do this on both sides. Consistency is key here. This method helps in avoiding that overdrawn look. We want our lips to look naturally full, not overly done. Okay, now for the bottom lip. This part is just as important as the top. Start by outlining the middle part of your lower lip and then connect the sides. This ensures a balanced look. Easy, right? Now here's the magic part. This is where the transformation really happens. Take your lip liner and lightly fill in your lips, blending towards the center. This step is crucial for that seamless look. This not only gives a fuller look but also makes your lipstick last longer. Who doesn't want their lipstick to stay on all day? Speaking of lipstick, grab your favorite one and apply it right in the center of your lips. This adds that pop of color we all love. Blend outwards using a lip brush or your finger. This helps in creating a smooth transition. This creates a natural gradient effect, making your lips look plump and luscious. It's all about that natural beauty. One more pro tip, guys. This one's a little extra, but totally worth it. For an extra pop, dab a bit of highlighter on your Cupid's bow and the center of your lower lip. This adds a touch of glam. It catches the light and gives that perfect pouty look. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. And there you have it. Perfect lips in just minutes using this super easy lip liner hack. Perfect lips in just minutes using this super easy lip liner hack. It's quick, it's easy, and it works every time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time. Your support means the world to me. Bye.